Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add DNS records on your GoDaddy domain. So first of all, you want to go to GoDaddy and go to your products. Now here you can see you have your domains right here. And for example, for this video, let's connect Shopify, basically add Shopify DNS records to our domain. As an example. So basically, when you go here on domains, you're going to click manage. Then you're going to click domain. And as you can see here, you can manage your DNS settings right here. So you're just going to click on that. And you will be redirected to this page where you can access your DNS records. So you want to add a new record like this. So this is the type. So for example, for the Shopify one, you want to add a record, then AAA record and a CNAME record. So let's add, for example, a record with a Shopify address of this. Let's copy it and add a hostname ETA. So let's add a name, ETA, value, and save. Add it here. Then it's updating your DNS records, and that's how you add a record. And you basically copy and paste it with other records. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.